Hey guys, welcome back! In this video, I'll share a simple and clear easy guide. Let's get started. Today, I'm going to show you the MailCow versus Mail in a Box versus Mailu 2026 comparison best self-hosted mail server. MailCow gives you powerful functionality with a polished UI, robust spam virus protection, aliasing and domain management, which is great if you want full control and don't mind some complexity. Mail in a Box is simpler to set up and maintain, automates many of the DNS, certificate, and backup parts, making it ideal for beginners or smaller setups. Mailu hits a middle ground, modular and lightweight, with modern Docker-based deployment, strong security features, and ability to enable only what you need. If you want maximum features and don't mind steeper learning, MailCow is likely the winner. For ease and quick setup, go with Mail in a Box, and if you prefer flexibility, lean toward Mailu. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more informative comparisons.